Good morning, this is John from John Synthetic Lubes in Hudson, Iowa, and we're here today to show you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. This filter location, if I'm not mistaken, goes through 2014 to 2018. Filter's located behind the glove box. We're gonna go in and show you. You're gonna have to remove four of these little screws. They have a Torx drive head. It's a T15. I went ahead and taken them out. You're going to open the box, upper and lower. You're going to have one on the left top, one on the right top, and then under the dash, you're going to find one on the left corner and one over on the right corner. They're real hard to see down there, so just take a light, look for them. They're there. Again, I'll show you when I'm putting them in where they're at after we change the filter. So after you get the screws out, you want to open your upper glove box, then grab your bottom glove box and just give it a good tug. Let's set the phone down here. And it's going to pop out. You've got these retaining clips on each side of the glove box that hold it in. They engage right here and right here, so just, be gentle with it. You don't want to break the plastic. When you pop it out, back in here, you'll see this honeycomb looking thing up here at the top is a retaining clip. Get your fingers up at the very top of it. One on the right's kind of hard to get to. It's back in the corner, but you'll pop that down, take that little cover off, and then there's your cabin air filter. We bought this truck about 40,000 miles on it a year ago. Got about 70 on it now. Has never had the filter changed to my knowledge. We'll see how nasty it is. Oh yeah, it's pretty dang dirty. Previous owner must have had a maple tree. Got maple leaves. Yep, all kinds of stuff back in there. You're going to get everything cleaned out that you can that fell in there. Otherwise, it could rattle around up there in your blower motor. We'll stop the video, get the clean filter out of the box, but you can see how much debris was on that filter. A lot of that shakes off. But if we go back here, and we look down in those pleats, you can see all of that fine dirt and debris that filter stopped. Okay, today we're going to be installing the new Wix XP cabin air filter. The XP filter series that Wix has in their air and oil filters. They're a high premium performance air filter. This one is pure air technology, multi-layer. It's going to give you the best performance. It's a multi-layered. The first layer is going to filter out your fine dust like your pollens and other fine dust. Then your second layer absorbs all odors. It's a charcoal filter. And then the third protects against odor causing bacteria and mold growth on the filter. So if you have allergies or other respiratory problems, it's recommended that you change these filters at least once a year, every 15,000 miles. If you start noticing a musty odor in your vehicle, your cabin air filter is likely dirty. One thing when you go to install, you want to pay close attention to the airflow arrow. As you can see, when I pulled that filter out, all the dirt was on top of the filter, so we know this is the top and the air is going down through towards the floorboard. So like I see there, you can see that mold and bacteria growth retardant. So to install this, just reverse order, get down here under the dash, give it a push in, tap the dirt off, engage those ears down there on the bottom of the little door. Get that tag out of the road. Yeah, I got a piece of paper stuck in there. Snap, snap. All there is to it. Now you just bring your glove box back up, line it up. There's a line-up hole up here at the top. There's a tab on your filter that'll help you line up. Let's get those started. Set it down a minute. One side went in, one side didn't. There, she popped in. Now we will put these 4 screws back in and tighten them up, and our filter change will be done. Total cost today for the air filter, the Wix XP, it cost me about $13 at a parts house. You can buy these things in all costs. If you get just a basic air filter without any special treatments, you could pick one up for $6-7. But I have some allergies, and you know, spending $13 on a good air filter so I can breathe good clean air, that's worth it to me. So this service, you went to a dealership, you'd probably be paying somewhere around 45 to 50 bucks minimum, and on the upper end possibly even close to 100. So hope you enjoyed this car care tip from John Synthetic Lubes in Hudson. Like us here on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, that helps us out. And if you need some Amsoil products, you can hit us either on the phone at these phone numbers, or you can follow us on the web.